To add payment methods to your Shopify store, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the Shopify login page and you want to log into your Shopify account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with a link in the description. So once you are signed in, you want to go ahead and choose one of your Shopify stores, and in this case, I'm going to use my example store. So once you're on the back end of your Shopify store, all we need to do now is click on the settings icon in the bottom left hand corner, and then from here, you just want to click on the payments tab on the left hand side menu. Now your payments tab may look something like this, where you need to go ahead and set up Shopify payments. So to do this, you want to click on complete account setup. And all you need to do now is set up the Shopify payments form, where you need to go ahead and enter in business details and personal details, along with your banking information at the very bottom. Once you've done this, you want to click on complete account setup. So once your Shopify payments has been activated, if you go back to the payments page, it will look like this. So to add our Shopify payments, all we need to do is scroll down slightly to additional payment methods, and you want to click on add payment methods. Now there are two ways of searching for a payment method. The first method is to search for the payment method itself, for example Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc. Or you can search for the provider that provides said payment method. Now in this case, I'm going to click on search by payment methods, and I'm going to add the American Express payment method. Once you've done this, you then need to select the provider that provides that payment method. So in this case, I'm going to use Skrill, and once you're happy, you want to click on the activate button just on the left. So once you've selected your payment method and provider, you just need to enter in some additional information, and you can also select or deselect the payment methods that you'd wish to use. Once you're ready, you want to click on activate your payment method, and then people will be able to pay you on your Shopify store via that payment method. If you would like to add additional payment methods like bank transfer or cash on delivery, you can scroll all the way down to manual payment methods, click on this drop down box and select a manual payment method you'd like to add. And that is how you add payment methods to your Shopify store. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.